Hi, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're going to do the monkey here on the Cadillac. So monkey is kind of like your tree, okay? That's at least what got me through it, because I used to think, it's fun, but why am I doing this? It's like claustrophobic. My legs are so long. My legs are so long. So it took me a bit, but then I realized, oh, it's just like my tree, and my tree is just like my elephant. My elephant is just like my control balance off the reformer on the mat, right? And so all of a sudden, monkey is like everything. So you want to have your safety chain on, super important, and one spring from below. And then everyone's a little different, but I come off at my shoulder blades, okay? And then I put my feet on, and you can be heels together, toes apart here. And then just know that like right here, you're kind of resting, but that's not the exercise, right? So just like in your tower, the thigh bones and the stomach are pulling away from each other. So you actually want to try to leave your lower back on your mat, just like you would on your short box. And then you can flex the ankles and point. And as you flex, you can bend your elbows from your back. Remember, when you do your tree, you walk your arms from your back. And then you point, stretch, flex, bend your elbows, right? Maybe 1 to 3 of those. And as you bend your knees, you want your stomach to run away from your thighs. So my thighs are still pushing forward as my stomach goes down. Press the legs away and flex, pull. Try not to climb your chest up your legs. You're trying to have that longest flexion. Point and bend. And you do like 3 to 5 of those. And then you can do the single leg version, which I'll show you in another tutorial because I do add a little tree variation to it. And then bend. So give that a whirl. And then I would really go and do your elephant and your tree and see if you can find where you can make your thigh bones and your stomach move away from each other and your arms can connect to your back. So if you're struggling with your arms connecting to your back in your elephant and in your tree, come to your monkey and then go back and see what happens. I'm Lesley Logan. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.